What's up? Today I would like to share you about some top most killer strategies which would helpful to everyone to develop winning mindset. And this is Chani SK. If you are completely new to this channel or watching my videos first time, please subscribe right now and hit the bell icon. Winners are admired. Winners are loved by millions of people, but very few people know that what takes a winner to become successful in life, sports, career, and anywhere. Self-image, self-confidence, self-motivation, and self-ideas. These are all important of human life. Apart from these, I will tell you some of the several ingredients which would helpful to become successful winner. Passion, enthusiasm, perseverance, and inner strength. These are all 5 ingredients which would helpful to winner to make himself more fit.
Everyone wants to be a winner, and who wants to be a loser anyway? However, when you look at majority, most people are living ordinarily and only few are living their dreams and win big in life. While there is nothing wrong with living an ordinary life like most people did, so this video is not meant for those people in that category. So this video is only who wanted to achieve outstanding success and win big in life. If you think you are a winner and you wanted to win in life, so this is the right place for you. Sadly, most people never made the decision to be the best, so they just live as it is. So they take whatever that comes to them and take it as it is. So they have never thought of changing for the better, and they have never really wanted to win. I believe that this happens to many people out there. We all know that we wanted to achieve great success and we have the potential and ability to accomplish great results. We try to take action and keep the positive expectation in us. However, somewhere along the journey, something went wrong, so we did not achieve the results even after we tried. So we did not win, so even after we tried to be as a positive as possible. The truth is, how long have you been trying and how committed are we toward our dreams? So most people tried a few days and some tried out of few weeks, some tried for many years, but they never learned to improve their skills and master their crafts. Winning is not an easy, living your dreams are challenging. This is why so few of us actually made it to be the top. But doesn't mean that it is not possible for you and me. Today I am going to share you top most 9 killer tips to become a winner in life. Set up specific goals. You need to know where you are going. Imagine you are in race but you don't know where is the finishing line. So would you able to win? No, you wouldn't. So that's why you need a specific target. You need to know exactly what direction are you going in and where is the finishing line is, and learn to work towards and something rather than working aimlessly. You need to learn to take responsibility for your actions. You cannot blame others for your mistakes and you can't use excuses. Winners are people that are self-aware about their own mistakes, so they understand that is their choices and decisions that brought them there, and winners don't use excuses, they find solutions. Form a winning habit. Strange, right? But that's what you have to do. You have to form a winning habit, and habits are hard to develop. So to form a winning habit, you need to start looking things at a different perspective. You have to look at them like challenges. You should try to challenge yourself daily. Form a habit of doing every day something you could not do before. Don't be afraid to fail. You should not be afraid to fail. So what you should do is learn to accept your failures as a lesson. Be eager to learn every day. Try to learn something new every day, read book or meet new people, do something different, because when it is comes to winning, having more knowledge is basically power. Take risk, so don't be afraid of taking a risk, because if you are too cautious you might miss the opportunity and you might not have a second one. Stay focused, so keeping your focus towards the finishing line is what matters. Don't slack, always keep your mind and focus towards your goal. The main difference between losers and winners is that winners committed to winning, winners know what they want and therefore so do whatever they have to do to get there. You need to stay dedicated in order to become a winner in life. You have to be willing to work harder than others, and it is the end all coming to work hard. So let me give you an example with the sports. If your competition is going so 200 push-ups every day, you have to do 300. Don't forget that more effort you put, the best results you will have, and that's not only in sports, it is applies to all fields of life.